Testing, testing, testing. Hi there, guys. My name is Rohan Bebe, and today we are going to be talking about how an automobile brakes work. How automobile brakes work. So, how does an automobile brake work? What automobile being like a vehicle, like a car, let's say. So, here we have a rough diagram of how it works. So let's go through each one, okay? So first, let's say you're moving super fast, okay, on like some track or whatever, and you need to slow down. So you hit the brake pedal. Once you hit the brake pedal, the force of you hitting the pedal will be boosted by the vacuum booster, okay? And the vacuum booster basically boosts the power, the force of the brake pedal that you put on, and pushes it to the master cylinder. So the master cylinder moves, okay? Which here we have the fluid reservoir with some pressurized fluid, okay? And it moves down this pressurized fluid. So the fluid is now released into the fluid lines, okay? So then they will move to the two things. The two brake systems. For the front one, it is called a rotor, and for the back one, it is called a drum brake and rotor brake. So let's first look at the front rotor. Okay, so the front rotor brake, well, not the front rotor brake, but the rotor brake. So basically the fluid moves in. Here we have a side profile on best what happens. The fluid moves in, okay? It goes through this thing called the caliger, okay? And what it does is that there's this little piston here, okay, that pushes on it inside of the caliger. So it pushes on it, which basically there are these two clamps that push on it, and due to friction, it turns kinetic energy into heat energy and stops the rotor in the wheel, okay? And this is set on both wheels, okay? Now for the back one, it is a bit more complicated. So on the back, this little diagram is a very much simplified version of it. Like, I couldn't draw the entire thing properly, but this is just a super simplified version of it. Okay? So the fluid moves into this little chamber here, which pushes these pistons to the side. And when it pushes these pistons, okay, once it pushes these brake shoes onto the drum sides, hence due to friction, and again, it basically it turns kinetic energy into heat energy, and hence stopping the drum, okay? And then there's like some other system that basically pulls back the shoe brakes, okay? And that's mainly how an automobile brake works, okay? And that's basically it. Thanks for watching the video. Hope to see you next time. Bye-bye!